The world's population is rapidly growing. As the population increases, so too will the demands for water needed to create energy and grow food. These higher demands will impact the people living and working in the Bow River watershed, because more water users will have to share the same amount of water while producing more. The agriculture industry has already begun implementing ways to conserve water while producing more food. Irrigators, for example, have widely invested in water-efficient systems that reduce evaporation by decreasing exposure to wind and hot, dry air. Irrigators have also saved water by switching to crops such as pulses that are best suited for southern Alberta's growing conditions. And finally, irrigators have replaced ground-level canals with buried pipelines. This innovation reduces water loss due to seepage and evaporation and increases the amount of land available for planting. Municipalities have also put water conservation strategies into place, including encouraging citizens to install water-saving fixtures like rain barrels, low-flow shower heads, dual-flush toilets, and low-flow faucets. Municipalities are also investing in infrastructure rehabilitation to help conserve water. For example, the distribution pipes that carry water for drinking and other household uses are being upgraded to eliminate leaks, which contribute to significant water losses. Each of these practices and innovations will conserve water supplies and help Alberta meet the growing demands for food and energy. What are some practices that you've heard about or put into place that help conserve water?